Hey, what's up? Just addition to the well, you know, I gotta bring you some more fishing before that hunting get really started for me, 'cause, you know, it's getting cold this week. You know, I'm gonna be hunting though, but right now I had to go ahead and do some fishing on the pier. I'm at Carolina and stuff. Had to go ahead and catch some spots, you know what I'm saying? Spots going running like crazy. A little bit of spotted trout, and I got some pompano fish and everything stuff though. Well, I'm gonna get ready to show y'all some fish right now and see how much fish I have. So check it out, cameraman. Get ready to check this stuff out. It's some serious stuff right here. Alright, look, this is one cooler right here. One cooler right here. You see this? Nice pompano. Look at that yellow fin right there. You see it? That look nice, that little fish right there. The spots is right here. These are your spots right here. And then yeah, right here. That's your spotted trout right here. This is a trout right here. Now, let's go to the big cooler now. Switch it over here to the big cooler. Now, y'all like, damn, look at all that ice right there. You know what I'm saying? Y'all looking like, hey, where all that ice? There's all that ice right there. So y'all know it's a lot of ice right there. But we're getting ready to show y'all, you got to keep it cold and fresh. But here we go, though. Do is some of this ice. You see these fishes right here? Now these fishes right here is a lot of spots right here. I gotta basically fill this whole cooler up right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump these out right here, these spots for you. Fishes, buddy. Look at that. See all the fishes in there? Yeah. Man. A lot of fish. And this is some shrimp right here. I'll use it for other stuff. Now see that right there? Yeah. Some spots right there. Some beauty for y'all. See, look at that. Look at that. It's a nice beauty. Now, this is how you fill up a cooler. This is a way to fill up a cooler. You know what I'm saying? Don't get no better than that. Alright? So this addition to the wow. And you know, I'm getting ready to pack the cooler on down. Y'all take care. Y'all have a good night. Addition to the wow.